That was on Monday morning, very early in the morning, between 5:36. A baby was stolen from a hospital here in Ado EKITI. The alarm was raised, and the police will have to rush there to find out what went wrong. It was discovered that the mother just went to the convenience, and before she came back, the baby disappeared. And we discovered that there was a lady who pretended to be pregnant, awaiting delivery too, who was in the same ward, not knowing that she had this fake pregnancy, just a cover up, a deception, clear case of deception, to enable her carry her dastardly act. She left with this baby. The parents were all distant, so worried. So we assured them that we'll do our possible best to ensure that the baby is recovered. The DPO did a very good job. He rushed. When he got to the scene of crime, he saw something that looks like a cellophane bag. He picked it up and saw cotton wood. He further looked and saw a receipt where they purchased that cotton wood from a known supermarket here in Ado EKITI. So we have to rush also to that supermarket. Luckily, they have a CCTV, and it was played back. And we saw the lady and 3 other men in that CCTV. So that gave us a clue. So we started hunting for the lady. But like we always say, telling everybody that cares to listen, that security these days is everybody's business. A good informant, reliable informant, called one of our senior officers that there's a lady, he suspected that he heard that there was a news that the baby is missing, and that he saw a baby, and he suspected that baby to be a stolen child. Again, we have to move to that place, and we were able to arrest the lady and the newborn baby. And the lady is with us here now, and also the babies, Sihil and Hati. That is the story.
Thank you very much.
Gbogbo ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ ti gbọ́ lẹ́nu ọ̀gá ọlọ́pàá bí iṣu ṣe kú bí ọ̀bẹ ṣe bẹ́, bí ọmọbìnrin kan ṣe jí ọmọ tuntun jòjòló gbé ní ìlú Ado EKITI. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ like, ẹ share, ẹ comment, ẹ subscribe sórí YouTube channel wa. Ọ̀nà ìrìjì báyìí lọ sí jẹ́mìíràn òjòrè ìrẹ̀lẹ̀ ojú owó rí. Ó dàbọ̀.